welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And today we are doing a quick Disney and Harry Potter jewelry haul. As you can tell, I am not wearing any jewelry, which is not like me, and it feels kind of weird. Well, I am wearing some, but it's not Disney related jewelry, because I wanted to show you everything I have that I've collected through the years. I hope you enjoyed. Now let's hear all about it. Okay, so I put all of my Disney jewelry in one half, and then all of my Harry Potter jewelry in another one, and I figured we'd just go this way. So first we have these pair of Mickey earrings, and these are just from Box Lunch. It was a pack of 3. I think I kept 2 of them, like sizes. It came in 3 sizes. It came in like really large, medium, and small. So I kept the medium and the small. The really large hurt my ears, and I was like, there's no way I'm ever gonna wear these. These ones also came from Box Lunch. They are Dr. Facilier earrings. These ones are also very heavy. But so I wear them maybe in the afternoon. Like if I do an outfit change, I'll wear them in the morning, and then once I go back, I change. It's just more for the outfit. But another one of those Box Lunch purchases. We have these holiday Chip and Dale earrings. I got these at the outlets. They are bubble bar, and they are so cute. So you can see Chip and Dale, and they did a really good job with Dale. Look at the nose, it's like a little rhinestone, and then Chip with a little chip, and then C and D because it's their Christmas boots, and I just think they're so cute. Also very heavy, but again, it just makes the outfit. I do tend to use these more for videos whenever I do holiday videos, just because they are a staple piece. These are the small from that 3-pack that I was talking about with Box Lunch. Next up, we have this bracelet, and this bracelet is from Zootopia. So you have the bunny there, the little recorder, that's a Hops. I was trying to remember her. The recorder, that's a carrot, and then the little stars. I don't know what this one is, the night blossom maybe? I just think it's so cute because I think of like a cottontail, like the bunny's tail on there. Well, I guess it wouldn't be cotton, it would be a bunny tail. Bunny tail? But I just think it's so cute, and I think it makes such a cute accessory. And again, it's like one of those things where the accessory makes the outfit. So I could wear something very plain and just wear this one. They had 2, and I regret not getting both. And I got this one, I want to say Shanghai Disney. That's where they have the Zootopia land. Or is it Shanghai? I'm going to stick with Shanghai. No. Yes, sticking with Shanghai. I think that's where they have the Hot Pursuit ride. But I regret not buying the other color of this bracelet. We have another bracelet, and this bracelet is a holiday bracelet. And I got this one, I want to say, from TJ Maxx or Marshalls or one of those. Maybe even Kohl's. I'm trying to... There you go. So it's just Mickey. It's just bronze, silver, gold, and it's just Mickey, kind of like snowy. I guess I could wear this all the time. It doesn't necessarily have to be holidays, but if you see, if it focuses, if you notice, it has like this little snowflake detail, so that's why I consider it a holiday kind of bracelet. We have this bracelet that I wear all the time, and I always get compliments on, and this one I definitely got from Kohl's. Now this is, I want to say, the 2nd or the 3rd edition, because it always breaks. And I should honestly learn how to fix it, because I still have the charms from the other 2. I kept them, so I should figure out how to make them into a bracelet again, but it always breaks. So this is the 3rd one that I bought from Kohl's. I just love it. I know if it breaks, why do I keep buying it? I just love it. I think it looks so cute on. It's just, again, this one's a little more subtle, but I could wear it a little more often, even if it's not in the parks, unlike the poofy one where I have, it's clear. Next up, we have a pair of earrings. We have the ducks. And these ones I paid full price at the parks for. I want to say we were at Disney World, and it was one of those like impulse buys, because I don't really wear them that often. I have worn them maybe for 2 videos, but I haven't actually worn them to the park. I don't tend to wear this color that much. I love the ducks. I think Daisy Duck is so sassy, and Donald Duck is my favorite. But yeah, I just don't wear them often. They're a little bit long, they're a little bit heavy, so these are definitely for videos, and I do regret buying them. I don't think I'll get rid of them, but I probably wouldn't buy it, because there's like other versions now as well. We have another pair of holiday earrings, and these ones are another bubble bar. And again, I got them from the Disney. No, this one I got from TJ Maxx. This one I got from TJ Maxx. I couldn't remember if it was the outlet or TJ Maxx. It has a little bow and then Mickey. I really like these. They're dainty. They're not as heavy as the usual bubble bar ones. They were relatively okay price. They were in the teens, and I have worn them to the parks. Super cute. I like them. So easy. We have another pair of earrings. It is my Jack Skeleton earrings. These ones I got from Hot Topic a long time ago. Back when I wore studs like this, long time ago. But it's just Jack, and it is like his, Halloween side, and then his Christmas side, or happy and unhappy, however you want to think about it. And it's taking a while for it too. There you go. They're just so small. I have definitely worn these to the parks. I've actually worn them to Disney Paris. That's how long ago I've had them. And I went to Disney Paris 2019, and I had them before then. The last pair of earrings are these, and these are from Pura Vida, and these are the Daisy Duck collection. Nothing about them says Disney though. Like nothing, like if you saw me wearing these, you would just think it's flowers. They're supposed to be from their Disney collection, and they had like a matching ring, but they don't actually say Disney anywhere. I know they were half off, another impulse buy. I do like Pura Vida, but yeah, I don't know if these are actually Disney. I think they just put the label on there. And finally, I have 3 rings, and I want to say they are mostly Pura Vida. This one's definitely a Pura Vida. I really like this one. The tan would be a little crazy if I get tanned. I tan really fast. I get dark really fast. This is another Pura Vida one, and it's just a silhouette of Mickey. And then this is a Pandora one, which is the Infinity Stones. I don't wear a lot of gold, but I really like this Infinity Stone version. And that reminds me, I have more Pandora jewelry. Let me look. All right, I found my Pandora jewelry. And I want to say, I don't know if it's all Disney, but I can talk about it. This is definitely a Disney band, and this one I got at Shanghai, downtown Disney Shanghai. Disneytown, I think it's called. So I got the band of Disneytown. It's just Mickey as a little head, which I thought was super cute. I got this charm at the Disney Wonder. We went on the Alaska cruise. So this is the Alaska cruise charm from Pandora, and I think it's super cute. And I don't know if it'll zoom. There you go. So there it is. You can see it's like the glacier, and you can see the boat, and it is adorable. I also have a Chicago one, which has nothing to do with Disney, but that was actually my first charm ever. And then I did get this Lucky Dragon also in Shanghai at the same store. Not Disney, but yeah. So I have these, and then I have this gorgeous necklace that I've never worn. I need to wear it. It is Walt with Mickey. It is a statue that is pretty much anywhere, but it's a statue that's at Disney California Adventures, and I just love that statue. So it is that. It is Walt holding Mickey, or holding hands with Mickey, and then we did get the chain, which is separate, whatever. But yeah, I just really like this one, and I want to say I got this one at the Disneyland parks, I think, for my birthday. And in my discovery, I found this watch. My brother gifted me this watch. It is a vintage watch that he got batteries on it, and I've yet to wear it because I always wear my Apple Watch, but recently I haven't. So I should start wearing my normal watches again. But yeah, really cute. Hopefully the battery still works. He gave it to me a while ago, and I still haven't worn it. And I was like, oh my god. So yeah, that's the collection for Disney. Let me get my Harry Potter collection. Just like my Disney collection, I put my Harry Potter in different containers so it's easier for me to grab them. So first we have 2 rings. I got this one at the parks in Florida. So I got this one at the parks in Florida. I paid full price for it. And then I got this one. It is a Pura Vida. And I also paid full price. I am obsessed with both. I like both so much. And I wish I had more Harry Potter ones, but this is all I have. And they're very similar to each other, but a little bit different. But yeah. Next up, I have this bracelet. It is a Luna Lovegood bracelet, and I am blurring what it's called right now. I can't remember what these bracelets are called. Maybe I'll remember when I'm editing. I just cannot remember. They make Disney ones. You can stack them. They were used to be very popular. I cannot remember what they're called. Anyways, it is a quibbler. My best friend also got one. I don't know if she got the same one, but she also got a Harry Potter one. And we are matching now. What are they called? We got this in Vegas, actually. We got it at the storefront in Vegas, but they sell them at the parks. They sell them at the Disney parks as well, or they used to. I don't know if they still do. But I just really, really like this one because it's all of Luna Lovegood, and you don't see a lot of her merchandise other than the glasses. So I really like this one. I have this necklace that I do not remember where I bought it. I want to say it was either Hot Topic or Kohl's, which I know is very different, but it's one or the other. But it's just a silver necklace. I need to wear this more often. I need to hang it up with my necklaces. But it says, after all this time, always. And the Patronus. It's one of my favorite parts of the book. It's so cute, and I need to honestly wear this more often. I need to hang it up with my regular jewelry and not just put it away for the parks. We have a pair of earrings. I was going to say another, but I think this is the first pair of earrings that I've shown you. We have a pair of earrings. These ones were definitely either Hot Topic or Box Lunch. I want to say it was Hot Topic a while ago. But I just like the mix match look of it. I don't always pair them together. Sometimes I just wear one and then wear like regular earring, a regular earring on the other ear. I don't necessarily always wear them as a match, but I do think they're super, super cute. And I like how they are offset of each other. They're not identical to each other, so that's kind of nice. I have another pair of earrings, and this is just from the parks. I bought them for not full price, but it was like full price minus the annual discount, and they just say Slithering, and it has the Slithering banner. So very simple, to the point. Like them. They're lightweight. I don't think they were too expensive. I think they were in the teens. We have a bracelet that honestly I should have out as well. I don't know why I have them not hidden, but I have them in a box and I only take them out whenever I go to the parks. But honestly, I could wear this every day. It's so dainty. It's the same brand as this one. I just can't remember what that brand is. Please help me. I don't know if they even sell them at the parks anymore. I need to Google this. It's getting to me. But it looks like this. It's dainty. It's just like a little, I wanted to call it an anklet, but it's not. It's for your hand. This part is a little bit weird, and sometimes I need help putting it on. Maybe that's why I don't wear it as much, but I think it's cute enough that I need to wear it more often. We have this bag, which is a stack of bracelets, and I bought this. I think this came from the parks, and I want to say it was probably in the teens or the 20s in the parks, but I bought them at Bookman's, which is a resale store here in Arizona, and I used store credit for it, and even there they were selling them for I think $16, but because I had store credit and 20% off, it wasn't too bad. So you stack these up. They're really cute. It has S for Slithering. I haven't worn these yet, so they're new. It has this cuff that says Slithering. It's kind of small, but it does fit. I do tend to have smaller wrists, but yeah. I have this one, which is just beads, but in the Slithering color, and this S for Slithering. And these all came together, and you're supposed to stack them up. Okay, I lied. I have a lot more. So when I went to put away the necklace that says Always, I was like, oh my God, all of my necklaces that I didn't show. And one of them had a price tag that says Alex and Annie. That's the brand. Alex and Annie. So the two bracelets that I just showed you are from Alex and Annie that I kept forgetting. This is so sad that I still have the tag on this because my brother gave this to me as a gift a long time ago, but I just use it as decoration with my jewelry. It's so cute. I should honestly wear this to the park. I don't know, I just keep it as decoration. I forget about it, obviously. But yeah, I have another Alex and Annie. That's what it is, Alex and Annie, and this is the key, and it's super, super cute. But let me show you the rest of the necklaces, and I was like, oh yeah. I got this one from the parks. Just paid full price for it. It just has the castle, and the heart says my happy place. I have worn this a lot. I wear this very often, all the time, anywhere. I just like how chunky it looks, and it's really good for layering. I also have this one. This is from Pura Vida. This is a choker, and I also wear this quite often, especially with sweaters. You wouldn't think with sweaters, but it just looks nice as a choker with sweaters, and it's just like little Mickey heads. I have this one that I got from Magic at Your Door. It has my birthstone. I want to say they sell them at the parks. I got it at the Disney mystery box. I almost never wear it. And I have the matching earrings somewhere, which I also almost never wear. And then I have this one from the parks, and I have worn this one to the ground. This actually happened with my sunblock. I was wearing it to Disney World. I wore it every day for maybe 4 days straight, and this is what happened. And it burned my skin. So I don't know if it was the sunblock slash whatever this is made out of combo or what. If you know how to clean it, please help, because I really like it, and I would prefer not to buy another one if it's gonna do the same thing with my skin, but I kept it just in case I can clean it, because I used to wear this all the time. I have this Disney key one. This is my, I think, a more recent purchase. It's very dainty. It's almost like a choker, but it's just like a dainty chain. Again, really good for stacking, and it's just Mickey as the top, and then we have the key. And another Alex and Annie purchase, and it is just the castle in the front, and then in the back, I don't know what it says. It says where dreams come true in the back. So yeah, another Alex and Annie. I used to buy a ton, and then I have it, and I even forgot what it was called. Do you have Alex and Annie in your collection? Let me know. But wait, there's more. Okay, this is the last thing, I promise. This is a Duffy ring that I actually bought either at Hong Kong or Shanghai. I can't remember which one. I don't wear it often because rings that are opened like this pull my hair so bad. If you have a trick for it, oops, let me know. And then I also found these gelatoni earrings, which I don't really wear out often. They're a little, I don't know. I feel like as an adult wearing these, I feel silly. But I wear them here whenever I shoot a video because I love gelatoni, and I was excited that they had his earrings. But yeah, I did feel a little bit weird. But okay, I think that's the rest. Let me know what your favorite piece was. I'm also curious to know if you are a silver person, a gold person, or whatever person. I am definitely a silver person, as you can tell, but I'm slowly introducing gold into my fingers and into my wrist, and that's about it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this series of me decluttering and showing you a haul. If you want to see other stuff, there's certain things I didn't show or trinkets, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see all of the hauls from this series, as well as all of our travel. We traveled to all of the parks in the world, and we have upcoming travel plans, so don't forget to subscribe so you can be alerted when that comes. And I hope you have a magical day, and until next time, adios.